Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make the UK double treble or the US treble stitch. Now, this makes a nice long stitch compared to the treble UK or the double crochet US, and I will show you how to do it now. It's really quite simple. You put the yarn over once as if you're going to do your normal one, and then yarn over a second time into your next stitch, yarn over and pull back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. As simple as that. So yarn over twice into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You've got that 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, making you that nice long stitches. I'll show you that one last time. Yarn over once, twice, in through your stitch, yarn over and pull back through that 4 stitches, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Beautiful, nice long stitches, really effective. I'll be back with another stitch to show you very soon. Thank you for watching, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.